Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another online video. How are you doing today? I hope you are all feeling good and well today. Since it's the nth day of our video lessons, you are going to relearn previous words, previous concepts here in Science with Teacher Riva. You are again in tune with Science with Teacher Riva. I hope that throughout this video, you will retain and remember all, or if not all, even half of the vocabulary or concepts that we have studied. And so, in order for you to remember more, please get your notebook or any piece of paper, get your pen as well, and copy important information as we go along. Or should I say, check the things you have copied on our previous videos in order to participate with our activity for this day. Alright, again, welcome back to Science with Teacher Riva. And to start and begin with, let's have a recap. What have we learned on the previous video? Can you remember? Alright, last time we have studied about the skin. Yes, you are right. We have studied about the skin, including what are the functions of the skin and its parts. This picture shows one function of our skin. Second, and then third. Our skin functions as an organ for protection. Organ for protection. And then, it also functions as an organ for regulation. Organ for regulation. And it also functions as an organ for sensation. Protection from the harmful rays of the sun and other harmful chemical or substances. Regulation, it regulates body temperature, enables us to feel hot or cold, and it releases sweat from the sweat glands. It regulates the body. And then, sensation, because the skin allows us to feel different senses or different touch, like the feather, the sun, the nail, or the pinch on our skin. The skin allows us to feel it. Again, the main functions for our skin: organ for protection, organ for regulation, and organ for sensation. Alright? What are the parts of the skin that allows us to experience those functions. We have here the diagram of our skin, both outer and the inner. The first part, if you can remember, we had this layer, which is the outermost layer of the skin and is the thinnest among all parts, is what we call epidermis. Epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin and is the thinnest among all the layers. It is the first hand to protect us from harmful rays or harmful substances that touches our body. After the epidermis, we also have this part, which we call dermis. Dermis. Dermis is the thickest part of our skin. In the dermis, we can see various glands and various nerves that allows us to feel sensations. And lastly, we have the hypodermis. Again, hypodermis. Hypodermis is the innermost layer of the skin and it stores fat. That's why is it also called the subcutaneous layer. Again, epidermis, dermis, hypodermis. Alright, what are the three main layers of the skin? We have epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. How are we going to take care of the skin? How are we going to take care of our skin? First, let's read together. Wash your skin twice a day and whenever there is sweat. Wash your skin twice a day and whenever sweat. Whenever sweat comes out from the body, it's advisable to wash your skin. Next, in order to take care of our skin, we must also cleanse ourselves. Cleanse yourself with warm water. Cleanse yourself with warm water. The water will help wash off the bacteria that comes in contact with our body. So, it is encouraged to take a bath daily with warm water. Alright? Okay, very good. If possible, you can also apply cleanser to the face and be mindful to apply your cleanser with the fingertips or soft cloth. Apply your cleanser with the fingertips or soft cloth. And after you have applied the cleanser, You make sure you rinse well with water when finished. Again, you rinse well with water when you are finished. Okay? Those are few of the many ways that we can take care of the skin, not only in the face, but the entire body. Alright? Okay, remember all of those, okay? Well done. You need to pat your skin dry with a clean and dry towel. Do not use dirty towel and make sure to pat it gently. Alright. Next. So in general, we have finished eyes. What's this? Ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Very good. These are the major sense organs that we use in each of our day in our lives. Okay. Now, since we are through with the whole nervous system, we are going to have a mini play time. The contents of these playtime are the concepts that you have learned from the previous videos. You can look at your notes for reference and try to answer by yourself. Okay? There will be 2 parts for this game, for this playtime. One would be the nervous system, the neurons, and the sensations. So if you are ready, can you please do 2 thumbs up for me? Okay, let's have part 1 for our playtime. Let's have first word world. I have here scrambled words, and you tell me what word it is. What word is this? Good job. We have ears. Well done. Ears is or are one of our sense organs that's responsible for the sense of hearing. Good job. 1 point. How about this one? What word is it? Go. Very good. It is eyes. Great job. Eyes is for what sense? Sense of sight. Very good. 2 points. Let's have the third word. What word is it? Well done. It is nose. Great job. The nose is for the sense of smelling. Good job. How about the fourth word? What is this word? Very good. It's tongue. The tongue is for the sense of very good. Sense of taste. And how about the last one? What word is this? Very good. It's the skin. Skin. The skin is for the sense of touch. We can feel sensation because of our skin. Great job. Who got 5 points for this round? Well done. Great job. Now, let's have part 2 of our playtime. Part 2 contains or have questions about the neurons and our brain. Again, neurons and the brain. Are you ready for part 2? Alright, well then, let's begin. Let's answer according to what is required of the nervous system. Again, the main topic is nervous system. I have here the choices. First, we have axon, dendrites, nucleus, cell body, myelin sheath, Schwann cells. Now, let's show the neuron. And the arrow, please. What part of the neuron is this? What part of the neuron is this? Very good. Is it the nucleus? No, it's not. It's the dendrites. Dendrites are these spiky hairs surrounding the nucleus and the cell body. It's the one who gets the message from the outside environment. Again, this is the dendrites. Next one. We have an added choice. We have nodes of Ranvier. Let's show the arrow, please. Alright. What part of the neuron is this orange part over here? Okay, very good. It's the nodes of Ranvier. Very good. The nodes of Ranvier is the gap between the axon. Okay. Next, let's show the neuron and the arrow. It points to the yellow part of the neuron. What do you call it? It's the Very good. It's the cell body. This yellow part over here is cell body, and it surrounds the nucleus at the center. It is where messages coming from the dendrites flow, going to the axon terminal. The yellow part again is the cell body. Very good. How about the next one? Let's show the arrow. Okay. How about this red or purple part here? What is it called? It's the Very good. It's the nucleus. Great job. It's the nucleus. How about the next one? The cover of the axon is called what? This white capsules here, what do you call it? It's the Okay, it's the Schwann cells. Very good. The white capsule here is called Schwann cells. It gives gray matter to our axon to look like color gray. Schwann cells. Okay. Next, we have this time the lobes of the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the biggest part of our brain, right? Let's try to remember what lobe is being shown in the screen. We have occipital lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and frontal lobe. Let's show the picture. What lobe is this? What lobe is this? It's the Very good. It's the frontal lobe. Frontal lobe. This lobe is functioning for planning. Frontal lobe. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What lobe is this yellow part? What lobe is this yellow part? It is for Very good. It's the temporal lobe. Temporal lobe. How about this one? The green part of the brain. It's the Is it parietal or occipital? It's occipital. This functions for vision processing. We can see and we know what we see because of the occipital lobe. And finally, the last lobe is the purple one. What is it? It's the parietal lobe. So that was part 2 of the neuron in the brain. Next, we will have part 3. And part 3 is all about the recent topics that we had. What were our recent topics? It was all about our sense organs, right? So part 3, remember what you have learned about our sensory organs, including the nerves responsible for transmitting electrical impulses or signals to the brain. Try to refresh your notes if you have there. Okay, are you ready? Okay, very good. Then let's begin. Let's have sensations. We are talking about our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Again, we have here eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Now I will also be showing to you word, and you match it where it should be matched. Is it for the eyes, for the ears, for the nose, for the tongue, or for the skin? Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's have the first word. We have here olfactory nerves. Olfactory nerves. What organ has olfactory nerves? Is it eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin? Okay, what's your answer? It's the... Very good. It's your nose. The nose sends messages or signals to the brain so that we will know what kind of smell entered the body. Alright, very good. Now, olfactory nerves is for nose. Next, what about the next word? We have here taste buds. Taste buds. Is it eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin? Taste buds. Very good. It's for our tongue. Can you follow? Alright, very good. Doing great so far. Next word, we have skin receptors. Skin receptors. Which is this receptor for? eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin? Skin receptors is for? Alright, it's for the skin. Great job! Skin receptors are found in our skin. How about the next one? What word do we have here? Okay, optic nerves. Optic nerves. Where can we find optic nerves? Is it in the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, or skin? Very good. We find it, or we can find it in the eyes. Very good. Good job. Let's have the last one. Where can we find auditory nerves? Auditory nerves. Where can we find it? Okay, very good. We can find it in the ears. Auditory nerves sends sound waves to the brain in order to interpret it. Auditory nerves can be found in the ears. Alright, so that is all about the nervous system. Each and every organ in our body is connected to each other, and most especially connected to the nervous system, because the nervous system functions as the main processing system in the body. So we've done parts of the neuron, parts of the brain, sensory organs and its functions, and how to take care of the nervous system through taking care of our organs. So that's it for the video today. Thank you for listening to Science with Teacher Riva. Goodbye everyone. Thank you and keep safe always.